Boost! Welcome to the FOFB, guys. Thanks for clicking on. We've got a lot of work to get ready for the show. So we need to wash, polish, we're getting new lights, new cameras fitted. I'm going to get the catwalks off because they're going away for repaint. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the catwalk, the wings, because they're going away to be repainted, and then we're sticking it on the ramp to wash underneath it. Wing tops off, we'll have to give them a wash, strip, because obviously help with the painter. I like to just check my tyres while we're at it, make sure there's no cuts. Off, 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 off. Now I've taken that side off before, but I've never taken, it should all be the same, pretty simple. Don't know how that comes out, but I'm pretty sure it'll just unbolt there and then slide out through the back. Or, no, I think it'll slide out this way. Yeah, and then stay tuned because I've got a new vehicle. Wait till you see that. I've got something new to take them away to painting. Woo. Give that a clean, all washed down. Nice easy to take that catwalk off, none of these big nuts and bolts and screws underneath. Whoever made this did a really good job. All nice and solid. This is very well built and easy to take off. Well, the sides are, wait till we get to the middle. If you've noticed, I now have a belter of a black eye. I had grease on the side there when I was speaking to Jimmy. I just itched my eye, squelched. A lovely big dollop of fifth wheel grease. I can't do anything without getting manky. I was being so careful as well. So we're just taking off the back bit here. This catwalk's been really easy and well designed. Whoever, in fact no, I do know the boy who did all this. In fact, I've got his number on my phone. He's done a very good job of designing it and putting it all together. It's pretty clean in here. Well, obviously it's dusty, but I mean like clean as in clean from rust. Look at the blade. Oh, look at that. Look at the wing tops. All the iron. Jesus. Right, let's give it a wash. since I am absolutely mock it and I would never be allowed in my own truck.
I'm not going to get in it, my feet.
No, don't worry about your feet, don't worry. Oh, right. Chassis stripped down, underneath all washed, catwalks, everything, wings are off, pack them away. Remember, we've got a new toy to show you. Right, washed, tarred, all the usual yada yada yada, catwalks are all, gotta put them away. Now, this is getting removed. I've never been quite keen on that SJ in there. I know it's there in old lorry, but it just looks a wee bit like smothered in the size here. Keeping it on the headboard, but I'm going to remove it from here. Looks a bit plain now actually. Now I did promise you in this video I'm going to show you the new vehicle. And here it is. Oh, yes! Oh! I have an electric van. Now, I have just got a end of it now, and we're just going to demonstrate. I'm looking forward to this. I know you're all thinking what the hell, but stick with me on this one. Anyway, I'm going to drop these panels off in the morning and let's continue on with the truck. Ooshed. Right, morning, next day, and I've dropped all my panels and wings off of the painters. Paul here, or nickname Blondie, used to work with him at SNT, is fitting our new camera Brigade system. Oh. I don't know how you work all that out. No, like I really... Wiring and electricity is like controlled magic to me. It doesn't...
I know. Right, so let's try your cab again Sunday.
Right.
Let's see if we can...
So we're trying to see if we can get... This is a new HD system, fully supplied by Brigade. So this is all like... That's one of my old cameras there, but this is all like my driving cameras. And we're trying to put a rear view one over the back end of the lorry for reversing and for going along and checking on my loads. So let's see if it comes up on here. Yes, we have a yes.
You've just got that rear camera there that I'm waving there.
Yep, that's it.
Perfect, that's how I do it.
Sound. So that means I don't have to have a big monitor there. We can still keep everything on the dash and neat and tidy. We're going to have all HD cameras. There's our see. There's our monitor. Paul is doing that. I've taken all the old lights off, well, started, prepared for the new ones, and Jimmy started doing the machine polishing.
When you get video, on your overtime.
So these are all coming off and getting replaced, and this is my fear. If you can see, you wouldn't know that there was a roof bar here for the beacon, right? I'm going to try and clean all this up as well, make that look a wee bit better. It's quite grotty and fogged inside. So the new lights should drop down about 20 mil, so I'm hoping will sit on that line there and you'll be able to see that. So we need to polish this bar back up, and these brackets are all going to get moved, so this will all have to be repolished and done. Joys of it. Now I'm just using one of the old Hella Jumbos from the back for my reference, but do you see what I mean? How the bar, now you can see it. But only time will tell if I made the right decision, but I'm hoping that's what, get it all polished to match, and that'll just sit in there nicely, but the other ones are not going to be chrome. Right, that's that all stripped down, and Jim, look at that, all these polished up. Paul's fitting my front cameras in there. And Jim has just informed me my new lights. Oh! We need a Stanley blade. Go. Oh. Oh. Look at them, they are tidy. Oh. New strobes for the front grille. These are the front headlamps for the top here, and the back one's supposed to be in here somewhere.
What are you going to say till fucking Christmas?
As Paul just fitted the rear camera for my loads as well, so I can look over the back of the load. This is grand, grand. The white ones, right, well the clear as they would call it, but still kind of, this is like obviously the chrome, and then these are my black ones, but they've sent me these ones as well. This is their big bad boys, but I'm going to, oh my god, look at them. This phone, man. I better take this. Oh. Right. So I'm just starting to machine polish the top here. Look at the difference there, so look. So that side which is all dull. New lights, polish. Oh, thanks for the cake. Paul's getting on magic with the lights. Well, let's have a look. Look at that.
Setting that front camera up now, it's a little bit high.
See? I'm full, you know, professional here. Professional outfits. But everyone's like, oh, you got to fit speakers to your walkers? No, we keep tools with them. You got to fit a side pipe? No, we're going to fit cameras, because that's what's important when running our business. Right guys, Paul is just finished fitting the whole camera system.
I've dulled that down.
That is...
So that's in, so it's not bright.
Right when we're driving along.
So at night time it goes dull, it's sunlight, it'll come bright again when you're back out of here.
That is so clear. Compared to the other one was like very, very white.
Reverse.
Right. Oh, look at that! Class. I like that just as is mainly if I can look at the load when we're going along.
Not only that, Sandy, you'll also realise that you'll see downside of your trailer if anybody sideswipes you.
Ah, yes.
Because it's as high up as you can get it on the back of the cab. And it doesn't really look at your diesel tanks because the side cameras have that.
Yep.
But your trailer, you might not feel it on a bumpy road if somebody fucking clouts the car downside of you.
So that's all done, but if you notice the top beacon is mentally faded. And Jimmy over here, look, we've just taken it off. Now instead of replacing it, right, which is quite expensive, I'm going to show you. This is it right now. And we're going to see if we can bring it back. You know what I mean? So instead of buying a brand new one, which is costly and we don't have time for it as well and then have to wire it in, let's just see if we can refurb that one and save ourselves a few quid. Look at the difference to that side. Minted. See, that's keeping our environmental footprint down, our carbon footprint, isn't it? Oh man. That's almost the top finish. This used to be tight and wired up, but this was tight, so originally it was going to be 6, but luckily we were set 7 because they didn't quite line up with the LEDs and where they were landing. But with a few adjustments with these end ones, we have made it all fit. That, wait to see us, can't wait to see these when they're lit up. Let's see the rest of the progress. Oh man. Right, cab is, each side has been machine polished. The difference in that, you can't see the old writing, that is just, oh what a difference, look at that, look at that. It's amazing what they can do. So cab's machine polished, top front grill's done, bottom half still has to be done. Back, what we have done, I've done the front lights, just need to wire them in. New lights at the back as well. And obviously the new cameras are fitted, all looking good. I'll pick up the first set of catwalks in the morning. We call it fit them, and then the wings Friday morning. But all so far, she's looking well. Want to thank Brigade for the new camera system. Super excited, we'll do a separate video on that, and the same thanks to UTV for all the new lights, and we'll do a breakdown video of them all and show you everything of them and more detail. But on that, fly, bro.